In this episode of Financial History, we look into personal finance for beginners. Imagine waking up and every dollar you ever earned has disappeared. Not through theft, not through recession, but through your own habits. The coffees, the impulse clicks, the just this once. Now imagine the opposite, a future where you wake up and money quietly works for you. Bills auto-paid, accounts growing, freedom, not fear, not luck, not magic, just mastery. What if I told you that the people who figured this out weren't Wall Street bankers, but ancient farmers, medieval merchants, and soldiers paid in salt? In the next few minutes, you'll see how civilizations, across continents and millennia, built and lost fortunes using the same basic principles that decide your financial life today. Clay tablets, bronze coins, gold bars, paper money, plastic cards, and now invisible digital dollars. To understand your money, we travel back to humanity's first financial classroom: survival. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. It directly supports the growth of this channel. The first budget, 4000 BC. Before coins, before banks, before even writing books, there were clay tablets in ancient Sumer. People didn't budget for fun. They budgeted because if grain ran out, so did your life. Your goats counted. Your harvest measured. Your rations calculated. It wasn't about greed. It was about control. The very first written language wasn't used for poetry. It was used to track debt and food supply. Humanity literally learned to write because of budgeting. That's how foundational personal finance is. It is as old as civilization itself. Fast forward to ancient Egypt. Temples acted as banks, storing grain and gold. Pharaohs had treasurers, but so did farmers. You brought grain to the granary and received a clay receipt. That receipt? The great-great-grandfather of your bank statement. Egyptians believed wealth was preparation, not luxury. Store grain today, survive drought tomorrow. Sound familiar? Emergency fund logic, 3,000 years before YouTube finance gurus. Enter ancient Greece. Philosophers warned about consumerism long before malls and Amazon. Aristotle literally wrote that uncontrolled desire destroys lives. Then Rome. Soldiers paid in salt, salarium. Yes, that's where salary comes from. And what did many soldiers do after payday? Wine, theater, gladiator games. Not far from payday brunch culture, is it? But here's the twist. Roman families kept detailed expense lists. Housewives tracked spending with tiny wax tablets. You think Excel is boring? Try a stylus and beeswax. Lesson: discipline beats income. Even salt-paid soldiers who tracked spending lived better than high-earning Romans who didn't. Flash forward to medieval Europe. Merchants invent double-entry bookkeeping, the same system your bank uses today. Every coin in, every coin out. Merchants who tracked wealth kept wealth. Merchants who didn't bankrupt caravans and boarded up shops. And in family homes, leather-bound household ledgers tracked everything. Eggs sold, candles purchased, taxes owed, debts paid. One famous ledger from Florence has a message on its first page. The man who does not know the state of his purse is already poor. In other words, if you have no idea where your money goes, it's already gone. Then came the 1930s Great Depression. Soup lines, bank failures, people hiding cash in mattresses. Trust in money collapsed overnight. But hardship created invention. During World War II, ration books and coupons forced strict budgeting. Families began creating envelope systems: rent, food, fuel, clothing, cash in envelopes. Spend only what you see. The rule was simple. When the envelope was empty, you stopped. This is the grandparent of every budgeting app on your phone. Then came the shiny new monster: credit cards. Convenience sold as freedom. Billboards promised luxury. points, rewards, endless desire in a little plastic rectangle. But small print is older than stone tablets. Interest rates, 18%, 23%, 29%. Ancient Babylonians capped interest near 20%. Modern humans? We sign willingly above it. Today many don't know what they owe, to whom, or why. Just like ancient debtors, we risk becoming servants to unpaid balances. Just now it's not a king demanding repayment. It's a glowing app notification at 2 a.m. Now our money doesn't clink, it blinks. Tap to pay, auto-renew, subscription creep, algorithmic temptation. Coffee is $4, but the fee, the tip prompt, the delivery charge, soon it's a $20 morning ritual. The merchants of Mesopotamia saw their inventory. Your wealth evaporates behind pixels. The biggest threat to your finances today isn't a recession. It's frictionless spending on invisible money. So how do you control your money? History tells us wealth doesn't come from income, it comes from intent. Let's turn ancient wisdom into modern power. Track it. If you don't know where your money goes, you're already losing. Clay tablets became pen and paper. Paper became spreadsheets. Spreadsheets became apps. Egypt saved grain before feasting. You build your savings before splurging. Embrace future me first. Build a granary fund 3 to 6 months expenses. Your personal pyramid storehouse. Avoid debt traps. Don't borrow for lifestyle. Ancient debtors worked fields to repay. Today your labor is the interest you pay. From merchants reinvesting profits to compound interest today, wealth grows when patience meets consistency. Learn continuously. Finance is not math, it's behavior. Every generation that ignored money lessons lost everything. Every generation that respected money built empires. The richest currency is knowledge. Money is not a villain. Money is not a savior. Money is a tool. Those who mastered it carved pyramids, built trading empires, funded voyages, built banks, and changed history. Those who didn't, their names vanished in the sand. So ask yourself, will your money story be one of panic or one of power? Will you drift like a Roman soldier on payday or build like a Sumerian scribe? Your financial future is not fate. It's discipline, written one choice at a time. What topic should we explore next? The first bank run, the invention of credit, how Bitcoin echoes ancient gold. Comment your pick. Thanks for watching True History of Finance, and we will see you in the next episode of Financial History. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. It directly supports the growth of this channel.